In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blob background in Figma. Creating organic, flowing blob shapes can add a really modern and soft touch to your designs, perfect for website hero sections, app backgrounds, or social media graphics. It's a surprisingly simple process in Figma, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to craft your own unique blob masterpieces. To begin, the very first thing you'll want to do is add an ellipse to your canvas. You can find the ellipse tool among the shape tools in the top toolbar, typically nested under the rectangle icon. Simply select it and then click and drag on your canvas to draw an initial circular shape. Don't worry too much about its perfect size or exact position just yet. We'll be refining these elements as we go. This ellipse will serve as the foundational building block for our soft organic blob. Once you have your ellipse selected, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar, specifically to the Fill section. By default, your ellipse will likely have a solid color fill. To transform this into a dynamic blob, click on the color swatch or the solid drop-down menu within the Fill section. From the options that appear, you'll want to select Gradient. Once you've chosen Gradient, make sure to pick the Radial type. A radial gradient creates a circular blend of colors, starting from a central point and radiating outwards, which is perfect for achieving that soft, glowing, blob-like effect. Now that you've applied a radial gradient, it's time to change the colors to something more appealing. You'll see two color stops appear on your gradient slider, usually one for the center and one for the edge. Click on each of these stops individually to open the color picker. Here, you can choose any colors you like. For a truly captivating blob, I recommend selecting two colors that complement each other well, perhaps shades of the same color, or analogous colors that blend smoothly. You can also adjust the transparency of the outer color stop to make the blob fade subtly into the background, enhancing its softness. Feel free to drag the color stops or the gradient handles on the ellipse itself to control the spread and intensity of your chosen colors. With your first gradient-filled ellipse ready, the next step is to duplicate it. You can easily do this by selecting the ellipse and pressing Ctrl or Command D, or by holding Alt or Option and dragging the existing shape to create a copy. Once duplicated, immediately change the colors of this new ellipse. By using a different color palette or even just slightly adjusting the hues of the previous colors, you'll create visual distinction. You can also resize, rotate, and reposition this duplicated blob to overlap with the first one, starting to build a more complex and layered composition. Experiment with scaling it up or down to vary the visual weight. Finally, to create a rich and interesting blob background, you can do as many duplicates as you want. There's no fixed limit here. The more blobs you add, the more intricate and dynamic your background can become. Continue duplicating your existing blobs, changing their colors, adjusting their sizes, rotations, and positions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different opacities for individual blobs as well, which can create depth and a sense of translucency. Overlap them, tuck them behind each other, or scatter them across your canvas until you achieve a visually engaging and harmonious composition.